How to secure your Instagram plus Threads account to prevent suspension. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. And for Instagram, make sure not following people too quickly or liking hundreds of posts in minutes in this way by repetitively liking. Also, commenting the same phrase repeatedly. Make sure you verify your email. To do that, go to your profile at the bottom right and click on three lines at the top right. Click on Account Center. In Account Center, click on Personal Details, and in Contact Info, add your email. Also, when you're creating an account, make sure you use a unique and strong password. Also, if you have VPN on your device, avoid using VPN too often, as sometimes using a VPN with a bad IP reputation may ban your account. And this is how to secure your Instagram plus Threads account to prevent suspension. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.